Hey guys, how you doing? Today we are going to get to review the Aegis Boost. All right. This is the Aegis Boost is made by Geek Vape, and pretty much in the box, this is what you're gonna get. All right. You get your user manual, your warning card, an introductory card, your warranty card, this tool to remove the OCC. You get an extra OCC. You also get an extra drip, an extra tip. You get the USB charging cable, and of course the Aegis Boost itself. All right, as you can see here in the box, it says gunmetal, so whatever's written on here, this is what you're going to get. This is the gunmetal version. And then the cartridge, it holds 3.7 ml, and it has a 1500 milliamp hour battery. Okay, so let's get rid of the stuff and let's get to focus on the Aegis Boost itself. All right, let's get this out of the way. All right, so here's the Aegis Boost. Damn, I can tell you right now, this thing is freaking solid. Okay, this is feeling solid already. All right, so here's the cap. It does come with a cap, and then here's the tip right here. So this is a flat tip, in which you can replace with a round tip, so depending on your style or how you want it to be. All right, here's the charging port, and this is kind of like rubber, right? And this is basically zinc alloy, right? And here, oh thank goodness, there is an airflow control just right there, so it's so convenient. So every time you need to like change up, just move your finger just right over it. All right, and here is your fire button, and also the power to turn on and off the Aegis Boost. And here's your up and down button for your power and whatever, puff reset, whatever. Okay, so let's see here. See what we're gonna do. Oh, and here's what you press in order to remove the cartridge itself. But you know what? Let's do that. We don't want to burn the OCC just in case. So all you have to do is push, and then it pops open right there. So here's the cartridge. Looks nice and wide. Looks like a freaking tank already. Okay, and what is this? Okay, prime coil for 3 minutes before use, and it's a good thing that they have this one. So just in case you just open it and then you turn it on, you forgot to remember that there is an OCC on there. Okay, let's remove that. Okay, all right. So here's the OCC and pre-installed on here. So let's use this tool right here to pry out the OCC. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, wow, that's. Oh. I'm sure pretty much once you get some juice going, this will be a lot easier to remove. Wow, oh, this thing is hard. Oh, maybe I should have primed it before I. All right, just to give you guys an idea why this is kind of like feels very solid. The Aegis Boost basically is rated IP67. Okay, what does IP67 mean? This means it's dustproof, all right, and it's waterproof. IP67, that means you can, if you drop your unit underneath water, maximum would be about 1 meter of water. No water will be able to permeate or go into the unit in about 3 minutes. Okay, so that gives you a lot of time. So just in case you dip it, you can just pull it out, no worries. Okay, and in part of the IP67 and whatnot, see this brown, this orange thing right here, right? That's in part to help seal the insides of the Aegis Boost. Okay. Ooh, wow. That was a little thing right there. All right, so here we go. You can easily just remove the top. Okay, there you go. And you can easily replace it with this. You just have to insert it right on there. Nice. It's good they included the option for this, and not just having this one as an option. So it's good that they have that. Let's go ahead and prime this the usual. Okay, a drop here. Put a drop here. Let's put another drop right here. Just try to cover all the juice inlets, and so just so we don't screw it up. All right, then let's put a few drops inside. So that's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. All right, and so the one pre-installed is, and I see there's like the one from the sticker earlier. Let's remove that. Okay, again, so this is Cantals. This is a 0.4. This is a mesh coil, and this is rated from 25 to 35 watts. Okay, let's go ahead and put this little baby in. Ooh. This thing really feels rock solid, man. Incredibly feels rock solid. Even putting it in is difficult. My God. Oh, there you go. There you go. There. Now it's in. Okay. As you can see, even the airflow inlet at the bottom, see this one right here, the airflow inlet at the bottom, this one, it is also hidden, because basically once the air goes into this, the air will just kind of like go down and pass through inside and then goes out this way. So this pretty much protects the inside of your boost. Okay. All right, so let's put in some juice. In order to put some juice, here's the cover right here. Again, it's also, ooh, this feels, wow, this feels solid, even just from the opening. See how thick that rubber sealing is? It's really, feels really solid. All right, let's put it in. Let's put some in here. It's a little difficult to see how much you've got to put on, but so just give me a second here so I can just put it against the light and see how much juice I'm actually pouring in. Okay, I think that's enough. I think that is enough. Then you just have to push this down. Right there. There you go. Nice and secured. Not sure if you guys can see the juice window, and somebody just messaged me in Facebook. Thank you for disturbing. And that's enough, please. All right. So let's put it back in. All right. And somebody's really messaging me in Facebook. Not right now. I'm not going to talk to you right now. See, even just putting it back, I mean, just because of the rubber sealant over here, it's kind of difficult to put it back. But I'm sure once you get the hang of it, this will be easy for you to just put back. But for me, since this is the first time, it's really difficult to just put it back. There. Oh, wow, that's really snug and fit. Okay, so while waiting for the OCC to soak up all that e-juice on there, let's go ahead and talk about the coil. What's pre-installed here is a 0.4, okay? And this is the extra coil that comes with the Aegis Boost, okay? So you can see here, there's not much markings. All it says right here is Boost Coil, GV Boost Coil. But for you to know what kind of coil you're gonna get, you just have to look at the bottom right here, okay? Let's go through this. See, it says KA1, that means it's Cantals. It's a 0.6 ohm. And it's a mesh coil. And the power rating goes to from 15 to 25 watts. So the one that's soaking in right now, this is the 0.4s. Okay, it's the 0.4s, and that'll go all the way up to 25 to 35 watts. Okay. Awesome. All right, so far off the bat, this thing really feels freaking solid. If I get into a fight, I'll probably use this in my hand because it really feels solid. And because of this, I mean, this is rated IP67, so this is pretty much a very rugged type of a pod. It's very rugged. I mean, given there's like double O-rings somewhere, and then there's like also a rubber O-ring at the bottom on here. It's really tough. So I can pretty much forgive the fact that the screen is not much, like, compared to the other pods. I mean, this screen is pretty much simple. I mean, it gives you what's most important to you. And there's not much colors going on in here, but that's fine. And what you don't expect a freaking tank to run like a freaking Mercedes, right? So there you go. Man, off the bat, this really feels good. Okay, we'll be back. I'll give this a run for like about a week, and then I'll give you my final thoughts on the whole thing.